Hey friends, it's Megan Elizabeth from ByMeganElizabeth.com, founder and creator of She Makes Club, as you probably already know. And I'm so super excited for what is coming this July, which we are just like literally a few days away from, which is insane to me, but here we are. So there's been so many different things going on with the brand new launch of the new She Makes Club. We're kind of still in beta, all kind of feeling it out and figuring it out and populating content still, the backlogs, the vault, all the Cricut classes, hours and hours and hours of content that we're still filling in, plus all the new live creative workshops. So what is coming in July? Our July plan is July theme for She Makes Club is confidence. We're going to be talking about confidence in our day-to-day lives, how we can add and bring and develop more confidence within our skills, in our own selves, in our craft and the things that we love to do, which I cannot wait to talk about. I love talking about this topic and where our confidence really, really comes from. It is one of my literal most favorite things. Hi, Tammy. Hi, Mary. Hi, guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for the hearts. If you all would help me out, hey, Kayla, if you all would be able to help me out and give this a heart, a like, and a share, especially share it with your crafty friends, people that love their Cricuts, love to make things with Design Space. It would be so, so, so helpful. I would just greatly, greatly appreciate it. And hearts back to you. I see all the hearts flying. So thank you. So I just wanted to give you a heads up of what is coming. So Facebook launched this new educators program that they asked me to be a part of, which I was like, well, yeah, that's like what I love and what I do, and it's my jam. So what we did for the month of July is we developed 4 classes that are going to happen every Sunday, well, except for the 17th. We're going to do Sunday the 3rd, Sunday the 10th. I don't know the date. We skipped the 17th and then the one after that. And then the 31st, the last Sunday of the month. I can't think of the Sunday date in between, and I can't do math that quick on the spot. So we're not going to math today. We're just going to talk about what it is. We have 4 Cricut classes that are coming as part of this amazing new thing. So it's part of the Facebook Educators Program. It's all about Cricut and cutting with confidence because we launched Cricut Cut with Confidence. Thank you, Kayla, the 24th. I appreciate the mathing. Thank you. So it is July 3rd, July 10th, July 24th, and July 31st. Would love for you guys to join. Would love for you to share. I left links in the description of this video. I'll leave them in the comments as well because sometimes that's easier. Sometimes just using the description is easier. It depends on what device you're on, I assume. And then we're going to leave they're going to leave all the information over at the blog at bymeganelizabeth.com as well. So we're going to get all the information out there as quickly as we can. This is something that kind of came into development today. The classes are included with your She Makes Club membership. So if you're not already a member, get over and join now. So you get all 4 classes included, plus our live creative workshop that happens on July 10th. So we're going to have, on July 10th, we're going to have our Cricut class and we're going to have our live creative workshop for She Makes Club, which is all about confidence. We launched Cricut Cut with Confidence Design Space in 2020. And Cricut has come out with updates. I mean, that's just part of it, which we love updates. We love to be able to expand and do things. So I want to take the confidence in your Cricut and Design Space to the next level with these classes. I'm going to be releasing drops of information as we go, like what each class is going to entail. But part of what's really cool about this, and one of the things that I've learned from my mentor, is some of the secret sauce comes in the mystery and the surprise of what we're doing. So what we decided to do is if you want in early, okay, you're going to get in at a discounted rate. You're going to get in at 60% off. You're going to get in for $1.99 per class. If you're not a She Makes Club member, it's included with your She Makes Club membership, which is by far the greatest value because then you get all the Cut with Confidence videos, you get all the bonuses, you get all the vault, you get everything. But for those who are like, I just want to get my feet wet, I just want to play with the Cricut, I want to learn more, come along, join our community, join what we're doing. If you get in early, it's $1.99 per class. The price will go up 5 days, I forget what it is. This first one, since it's on Sunday, it's 3 days before. Every other class, it goes up 5 days before. So you want to get in early, lock in your rate, sign up, join. The same thing goes for She Makes Club. If you want in on all the classes, if you want in on all the vault information, if you want in on all the backlog and videos and live creative workshops, go to shemakes.club. And when you come in to fill in your monthly info, type in the coupon code SHEMAKES1. She Makes One, and you'll get your first month in She Makes Club for only $1. And that will get you all of July's classes. Well, you have to wait until July 1st to do all of July's classes because it will change if you want just July. $1, all of July's classes, all 4 Cricut Cut with Confidence videos. It'll get you the live creative workshop and so much more. So I'm really excited about this. I'm going to be giving you more information. Hopefully I didn't overwhelm you or confuse you or anything. This is about confidence. This is the vibe. This is the energy. We want more confidence in our craft, in our life, and we want to develop really where it comes from and how to share more of it and how to be more of it, how to love more of it, do all the things, right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make. That's what we're going to do. So I can't wait. So it'll be every Sunday except for the 17th, July 3rd, July 10th, July 24th. Again, thank you, Kayla. And July 31st. It'll start at, I believe, 3 p.m. Eastern time. So it'll go from 3 to 4. I'm going to drip more information of what each class is going to cover. But for now, to get you in at that locked in lower rate, we're just going to tease it a little. We're just going to have fun with it a little. We're going to see how much energy and excitement builds around it a little. We're going to see if you can get your friends involved. Let's all make together. Let's build and develop this incredible community of crafters and makers that not only want to make pretty things and tell their story through the art of scrapbooking and enjoy how to use and play with their Cricut die cutting machines, but also make a life that you love, because that's what this is all about. Working from the inside out, enjoying the moments, and having so much fun together. Guys, I so appreciate all the hearts and the love today. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. Please, please, please comment, like, share. The more you do that, the better it is for everybody. I appreciate it. Enjoy the moments, and I'll see you soon.